Today, we're talking about a crucial component of your car's cooling system, the water pump. Knowing the symptoms of a bad water pump can save you from a lot of headaches and costly repairs. So, let's get into it. First off, what exactly does the water pump do? The water pump is responsible for circulating coolant through the engine and the radiator to keep your engine at the optimal temperature. Without a functioning water pump, your engine could overheat and suffer serious damage. Symptoms of a bad water pump. Symptom 1, coolant leak. If you notice a puddle of coolant under your car, especially near the front, it could be a sign that your water pump is leaking. Coolant is usually green, orange, or pink, so keep an eye out for these colors. Symptom 2, overheating engine. If the water pump fails, it won't be able to circulate coolant through the engine, causing the engine to overheat. An overheated engine can lead to severe damage and should be addressed immediately. Symptom 3, whining or groaning noise. Inside the water pump is a bearing that allows the pulley and pump to rotate smoothly. If this bearing becomes worn or damaged, it can create a high-pitched whining or groaning noise. This noise is typically more noticeable at higher engine speeds. Symptom 4, steam coming from radiator. Steam indicates that the coolant within the radiator is boiling due to excessive heat. This can happen when the water pump is unable to circulate coolant effectively, leading to localized overheating and boiling of the coolant, which then escapes as steam. Symptom 5, visible damage to pump. Physical inspection of the water pump might reveal visible damage such as cracks, leaks, or signs of corrosion. This can often be seen without needing to remove the water pump, especially if there are significant signs of wear or damage. Symptom 6, coolant temperature warning light. If the water pump fails, the coolant cannot circulate properly, which causes the engine temperature to rise. Once the temperature exceeds a certain threshold, the warning light on the dashboard is triggered to alert the driver to the overheating condition. Symptom 7, erratic temperature gauge. A malfunctioning water pump can cause the engine's temperature to fluctuate erratically. This is because the pump is not maintaining a consistent flow of coolant, leading to intermittent cooling and heating cycles. So, what should you do if you notice any of these symptoms? First, don't panic. Driving with a bad water pump can cause severe damage to your engine, so it's best to address the issue as soon as possible. Take your car to a trusted mechanic for a thorough inspection and repair.